£827 million. Gone. In one secret account. Enough to destroy Britain's oldest bank. It was more than twice the bank's available capital. The 233-year-old institution that once financed the Louisiana Purchase and held the Queen's account. How did a 25-year-old clerk do it? See how the first tiny lie became an avalanche. This is the true story of Nick Leeson.
I never thought anyone would notice. I just needed one good month, then I would fix it all.
Meet Barings. Founded in 1762, banker to the Queen. The sixth great power in Europe, they once said. Nick Leeson, with short dark hair, round glasses, white shirt and loosened dark tie, started in the back office. He had left school at 18 and worked his way up from a council estate background. He impressed them in Jakarta, cleaning up a mess of unsettled share certificates. By 1992, they sent him to Singapore, general manager of Barings Futures there. He ran both the trading desk and the back office that was supposed to check it. He marked his own homework. Nobody in London split the roles, despite his broker license application having been flagged in Britain over an unpaid county court judgment. An internal audit would not warn about this exact danger until 1994, 2 years away. By then, the recommendation to split front and back office would come too late. You are the star trader now. London loves you. They even float a £450,000 bonus, a reward still 2 years away in 1994. But one small error is about to change everything. The first buried loss was only £20,000 from a colleague's honest mistake. How could it possibly lead to disaster? The warnings were already on paper. See what happened next. July 1992. A junior colleague sells 20 contracts when she should have bought. Honest mistake. Loss of about £20,000. Nick could report it. Instead, he creates account 88888 to hide it. This was the first lie that would lead to so much more as he began trading to recover the losses. 8 is lucky in Chinese culture. 5 eights. The account stays open. Nick Leeson, with short dark hair, round glasses, white shirt and loosened dark tie, begins to bury his own losses there too. It started as a favor to a colleague, quickly became his own personal black hole. The losses escalated. He traded to recover them, but the hole just kept growing. End of 92. Hidden losses reached £2 million. He trades bigger to win it back. The hole grows, but he keeps reporting fake profits to London. The escalation had begun.
It wasn't the end. I told myself one more trade would fix everything.
End of 93. 23 million hidden, but officially, he reports 10 million profit, 10% of the whole bank's profit. The losses had grown from the first 20,000. He was now in too deep to stop easily. His bonus that year was £130,000. How much longer before London looks inside account 88888? London wires him bonuses, celebrates their star. But the hidden losses keep growing. How much longer before someone looks inside 88888? End of 94. The hidden number hits 208 million. His reported profit? About 28 million. They propose a £450,000 bonus. The auditors find a $50 million hole. Nick forges a receivable from a New York firm, even uses a fax from his home machine. The header reads, "From Nick and Lisa." The fabricated confirmation fooled everyone. This was in December 94 and January 95.
One signature made 50 million disappear on paper. Nobody checked.
They accepted. Meanwhile, the real position in 88888 is getting worse. The hidden losses are mounting with every passing trade on Cymex. The earthquake is coming soon. But did anyone in London suspect the truth? 17 January 1995. The Kobe earthquake devastates the city. It kills more than 6,000 people. The Nikkei lurches down sharply. Leeson's hidden position is destroyed. Instead of closing the positions, he doubles down on the futures bets. The losses mounted from there. The quake destroys his hidden position. Losses explode. He had been selling options to raise cash for margin calls. Nick Leeson, with short dark hair, round glasses, white shirt and loosened dark tie, doubled down on the futures bets. Instead of stopping, he doubles down. Buys massive Nikkei futures, sells options for cash. London still believes in their star. They wire margin, £760 million. His position swelled to roughly 61,000 Nikkei futures contracts. His positions swell to $7 billion on the Nikkei and $20 billion short on Japanese government bonds. The hole is now impossible to climb out of. London wired him about £760 million in margin, more than the bank's entire capital. Would the auditors catch him in time? 23rd of February, the day before his 28th birthday. The auditors are closing in. Nick and Lisa flee Singapore. He leaves one note on the desk. The note simply says, "I'm sorry." Barings finds account 88888 the next day. The real losses? £827 million, more than twice the bank's capital. A weekend rescue fails. 26th February. Barings, 233 years old, is insolvent. Sold to ING for £1. The Bank of England report lays bare the management failures. Warnings existed. Controls were not enforced. The bonus culture had blinded them all. The report found complete failure of management and controls. But how had it gone unnoticed for so long? Nick is arrested in Frankfurt. Extradited to Singapore after fighting it for 9 months in a German jail. He pleads guilty to deceiving the bank's auditors and cheating the exchange. He is sentenced to 6.5 years in Changi prison. But how did it all start from such a small error?
They found me in Frankfurt. 6.5 years in Changi. I couldn't run anymore.
The staff bonuses, worth $100 million, are wiped out. The Queen's Bank, gone for £1 after 233 years. The report would later show that the warnings were there, but management failures allowed it to happen. What would you have done differently? One final image. Remember that first small error of about £20,000 that started it all in July 1992? It never had to end this way. The account was already $208 million under by end of 1994. Or did the ignored internal audit warnings make the disaster inevitable? You're 25, hiding a loss nobody has noticed yet. The first lie feels small, but every trade after is just trying to escape the last one. Do you come clean or double down? The collapse happened in a single weekend. 233 years of history, erased after the weekend rescue failed at the Bank of England. It was all over in February 1995.
233 years, undone by me in a single weekend.
One man, one account. The warnings were there from the internal audit in mid-1994. Nobody wanted to see them. The end. But the question remains for all of us in positions of trust. You're 25, hiding a loss nobody has noticed. Do you come clean or double down? Tell me in the comments. And if this story grabbed you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. New paper fortunes every day.